Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Jaw and here's my review on AirTags. While there has been rumors going on AirTags for more than 2 years, Apple finally came out with AirTags. AirTags are trackers that you can use with your iPhone or an iPad to track your lost items. You can use your AirTags to track your keys, your backpack, your luggage, and pretty much any other item that you can attach it with your belonging. There is another way though, is that you can put AirTag inside your bag. You can also use in that way to track your items. What sets apart from its competitor Tile Tracker is that AirTags use Find My Network. And conveniently, Find My Network is already pre-installed on a lot of Apple devices such as iPhone, iPad, and Mac, without the need to install any additional third-party applications from the App Store. It's quite convenient to track your AirTag in the Apple ecosystem. It makes sense for Apple to come up with a new line of product categories that actually leverages its Find My Network. AirTags come in two variations, 1-pack and a 4-pack. And before taxes, 1-pack sells for $29 and a 4-pack sells for $99. In my opinion, 4-pack is a better deal because you will be getting an AirTag for $25 each. And you can always sell some of those AirTags to your friends who use iPhones if you are not using all of those AirTags in those 4-pack. Well, it's a win-win situation, right? And there are two ways to personalize your AirTags. First one is the engraving option. Apple offers engraving option for free. You can edit when you buy your AirTags on Apple official website. It's fully customizable, ranging from letters, emojis, numbers, to special characters that you can find on your keyboard. Another way to personalize your AirTag is with the case. And currently on Apple Store, there are different types of cases ranging from $29 on the plastic loop to $449 on Hermes luggage tag. Anyway, it's totally up to you to decide which one you should go with. Or you can also place your AirTag inside your backpack or your luggage just the way it is without getting any case if you are willing to save some money on the case. And AirTags still works perfectly fine. Now I'm so excited to do an unboxing of AirTags with you and also show a quick demo of using AirTags with an iPhone. So are you excited? And here's the 1-pack box of the AirTag, and it's pretty small. I guess it's pretty much the size of this picture, and I'm gonna open it right now and see if that's the case. These are manuals and AirTags finally in the house. So here's the AirTag, and the design of the AirTag is pretty simple. It has plastic on one end and stainless steel on another end. It's very small, lightweight, and therefore it's very easy to carry around with you in your backpack or in your luggage. AirTags have built-in speakers that produce sound, and that is a great feature to have when you are actually finding your AirTag in lost mode. It is water resistant with IP67 rating, and Apple claims that it can last up to 30 minutes at the depth of 1 meter. Whoa, hold on a second. That doesn't mean you should be dipping your AirTag in the water for 30 minutes just to prove them wrong. Being water resistant, it gives users the peace of mind when your AirTags are exposed to the rain. It comes with a replaceable battery, CR2032, and it's widely available on Amazon or at a convenience store, so you shouldn't be having an issue trying to find an adapter to charge those batteries. Apple claims that the battery inside your AirTag would last around a year, but in my opinion, would not always be the case. If you are actively using your AirTag on daily basis, trying to locate your lost keys and stuff, then it would probably last less than a year. Now, it's time to set it up. Connecting your AirTag to your iPhone is very easy and very straightforward. Just like you would connect your AirPods to your iPhone, you will place your AirTag right next to your iPhone and it connects seamlessly. It works like magic. Can you believe it? Apple does the Apple way. So you might be wondering how AirTags actually work. AirTags send out secure Bluetooth signal that can be tracked by nearest iPhones or iPads that are already registered on Find My network. So basically, Apple is taking advantage of the iPhone user base to track your AirTags. Isn't it pretty smart? In addition to that, AirTags have U1 chip inside, and that can be used for precision finding feature. I love this feature because it actually shows you the distance and the direction of your lost AirTag, and therefore that can help you find your AirTag in a short period of time. In fact, the precision feature is only compatible with iPhone 11 series and iPhone 12 series, and therefore if you are using the older generation of iPhones, then you wouldn't be able to use this feature. However, you can still track your AirTags through Find My network. In terms of privacy matters, Apple sets its own standard in the tech industry, and it put a lot of emphasis on the privacy of its customers. It is centered around every Apple products, and I'm very impressed with their mission. First of all your location data on your Find My network is encrypted. Your location data is never stored in an AirTag. Only the owner of the device has access to its location data. Then what if someone puts an AirTag inside your bag or place it in your car to track your location? Well, Apple already came up with a solution for that. To avoid unwanted tracking, Apple designed AirTags in a way to alert the iPhone users if an unknown AirTag is traveling with them for a certain distance or it's found nearby. Therefore, it will give you a notification that an unknown AirTag is traveling with you for a certain distance. You can get awareness that you're being tracked. That's a whole new level of technology breakthrough. But what if you are on public transit? Let's say on a bus or on a train, and someone you don't know is sitting right next to you with an AirTag, and that unknown AirTag that someone is using will be considered as an unknown AirTag by your iPhone. And in that scenario, will you get notification that you're being tracked, or you won't get a notification because that unknown AirTag is traveling with the owner? So my thought process is like, will you get notification or you won't? And that's the topic that is worth the discussion. Currently, I don't have an answer for that. And if you know about it, please comment down below so that it will be helpful to other people who are making decision whether to buy an AirTag or not. I hope this video is helpful to you on some level on the details of the AirTag, and if you are looking for more information about the AirTag, you can go to Apple website and learn more about AirTags. And thank you for watching, and until next time.